The colored culture beauty standard.
I was like, oh, and then mommy, let's go.
Oh, I'm back. So I'm back, I guess. So I've been gone, as we all know, for a year now, basically almost a year.
No, I wasn't hacked. Whatever. I'm funny.
It's just like last year was a hectic year. Grade 11 wasn't a joke. It really wasn't a joke. Like, it really humbles you as a person. Like, if you have gone through grade 11, you know what I'm talking about. Maybe it wasn't that hard for you, but for me, I'm posting now. That's all that matters. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting a lot this year as well. It's probably like a thing now, you know, post 5 times a year and then I dip. But yeah, it's senior year, grade 12, matric. You must know. I'm making jokes now, but in the inside, I'm not doing well. Grade 12 is serious. Like, you know, every year then you're like,
Next year I'll do better. Next year I'm really gonna start. Next year I'm gonna be on top of my game.
but like now there's no more next year. Like it's now. It's either now or never. So it's stressful. So I don't know how if I'm gonna do anything for YouTube. You guys probably don't even care. I have filmed other videos on the side, but you know, quality over quantity. If I don't like the video, I'm not gonna post it. So what this video is actually like, so it's basically what I'm gonna try to do is like get myself back together, like get my life in order. Been gone like on holiday. It's been festive, but festive hasn't been festiving the way other festives have festive first. This holiday wasn't the same, man. Like my skin has been doing bad. Normally I eat well during the holidays because during school I stress, so I stress eat. But now my skin is like breaking. You can't really see, maybe you can, but like I'm breaking out everywhere. And my skin was doing well for the past few months, and now it's like my skin knows when I must go to school. It knows that now it must get pumped. Before school it's great, but when it's near school time, then it wants to act. But anyway, so basically I'm gonna be trying to get my skin under control, so like eat better, drink water. And then I'm gonna show you guys my mini stationery haul because it's matric. You don't really need much. It's Tuesday, so I have until next week Tuesday. But guys, I didn't tell you. I'm on RCL. Now that, now that is another thing. Another thing that makes my mental health take a dip. I'm supposed to read this book, The Picture of Dorian Gray, the first 5 chapters before next week. Haven't started. I don't know what else to say. I had like a whole vision in my head of what I was gonna say. I'm gonna show you guys my stationery now. This is a mini stationery haul. I didn't get a lot of stuff and I need to get 2 more things tomorrow, which is a pencil case if I don't reuse my previous pencil case. And I need color pens. Yo, my head is sore now. Because my other one has gotten to the point where I have to, you know, like clap it a couple times before it can work. And then I got another mathematical set. And then I got me a pink ruler. I got a 2022 student planner from Typo. Can you see? It's nice. Inside, yes, the bookmark. And then if found, please return to Mr. Kim Tae-young's wife. And I have a thing for my sweeties. Then I bought from Typo as well the sexy girl. Then I bought also the by Typo a Snoopy Poopy Doopy Puppy Wuppy. Also you can put your stuff in here, but it looks dumb. It looks stupid. His name is currently unknown, so if you guys have a name for Mr. Poopy Whoopy. Okay, if you guys have a name for this bro, comment here at the bottom. I'm just not speaking proper English. If you have a name for this year, sir, please comment down below what you think suits him best. Thank you.
Well, she tried. At least, you know, she...
Yes. Okay, I think that is all for today.
이사실한테 진짜 피지한테 잘하자 우리. 단점 프로 들어가는 줄 아냐?
다시 확인하라고 해. 예전에 그냥
Just went over some bursaries now for some schools, or like not some schools but like just bursaries that are available from companies, and then I noted like when they close or when they open. That's done, I guess, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna get dressed and then go buy my last 2 things I need, like a pencil case and color pens. So this is the outfit of the day. I don't know how to show you without showing my messy room, but maybe I can find a place. Okay. Just this top I thrifted from I don't know where. Basic. Because I'm here at the mall, I'm gonna go look at B&A and then this other shop that sells cute things, and then maybe I buy stuff for my locker like a toiletry bag thingy. But yeah. Guys, I'm back. I got out of the shop. I walked into all the shops that sell stationery and I couldn't find one cute pencil case. And there's one shop that was following me around like I was gonna steal stuff. So I said, let me just leave. Oh my god, this is what I got. I got these 2 things to cover my books with. I got it from Spar. And then I got a few things to decorate my locker with, like stickers and things. And color pens, yes. And now I'm gonna go to McDonald's because I know I said I'm gonna eat healthy, but you know, mental health is also part of a person's well-being. So let me do what makes me happy, man. Okay, so I'm at home now. And I got my McDonald's. Yeah. I got the I got a cheese quarter pounder and a watermelon McFizz, and I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. And
주겠으니까.
왜 그랬는데?
어차피 죽으니까.
I don't even know what curl pattern I have because if you see here, it's different here at the back and then you come here, it's a mess. My God, I've probably worn this dress 5 times this month. If I want to be extra, it's almost the same colors. No, this is not what we get. Putting these shoes I saw from my mommy. Please cover my toes, Jenna editing. Jenna. Where? Table Mountain. You want? Yellow kijk nou vir die coole bak. Look at this coole. No man, mommy. Oh, laat ik er doen de ijs af doen.
Het will be melted by that time.
Okay. It wasn't.
En deze is nog half een uur.
Let's message them something.
Oh, it's cool.
This is such a great drama to see my friends. And then I saw them and I was like,
Where's your phone?
I'm going to be like other bread stuff. And I never been with a Betty. And look, where's my Betty? Ah, my mercy.
You must stop calling me that.
I forgot to vlog this, but we're eating cheesecake. Wait. Apple juice. So I went to the hairdresser to do my hair. Because you know, like, self-love. I don't like having my curly hair, so like, it's an issue when it is curly for me. So I must always straighten it. So for school first day, I always go to the hairdresser. So now I went to the hairdresser to do my hair, get back into my white girl era with my glad hair and what. Just don't let it get wet. And it's pretty hot now, so like I'm trying not to let it touch my neck or anything. But anyways, I just had a wash and a blow. And my body did burn me. It was a mission and a half. I was sitting there like, you guys can see I didn't make up my bed or fold my blanket because I didn't sleep under my duvet because last night was so hot. Look how nice it looks. My legs grew a lot.
Can I get a wow? Wow. Can I get another wow? Wow. Give me another one. Wow. Call the ambulance. Wow.
In my gladde era or whatever. But I really hate that I don't feel comfortable in my natural hairs because of beauty standard within the colored community. The beauty standard is to have straight hair. Nowadays it's starting to become like more acceptable to have your hair curly and stuff. I know a lot of us can agree when we were small our parents used to take us to the hairdresser. Either it was for a relaxer or Brazilian to straighten your hair every week, or not every week but like occasionally, or if that wasn't the case you couldn't do your hair by the hairdresser. It was like that tight plaits. Flip, I'll insert a picture here. It looked like a draw just hanging out of my head and then my hair still coming out. But anyways, luckily my hair is healthy now and I do like my curls with it. I do like it, but it's just like when I go to my grandma's house with my mommy sometimes even they're like, don't you wanna when you're doing your hair? But like, just leave me, let my hair just do what it wants, you know? But like it is what it is. I mean, like they have that norm in them, so now I have that norm in me. But when I have my children, best believe she's gonna wait there every day. Just like what is this TED talk now? This is supposed to be a TED talk, but it's like a cool topic to talk about. Maybe I'll start making such videos where we talk about colored culture or just like South African issues and problems as a whole. But I need to get more educated on that before I even start talking about such stuff. Thank you and goodbye.